There you go. She's going on the way. All right. And another one. Super cute. You know what? Monday, I really want to try this. I'm so tempting. They're so cute. It's catching my eyes.
Maybe shift a bit so people can see the jet.
I know, freaking serious, right? Like, if I sing it again, it's gonna go. Either I'm gonna sing. So, okay. What else do I want? I don't care. I want to bling it. So the blue stand out really nice, though.
Mm-hmm. You can try some green one. Like
This one? I did it last one before. Yellow.
Like, little green like this. And this little guy.
Too big.
No?
No.
No?
No, that's it. I don't want any more because I'm going to put crystal in here.
Okay.
You see, if you have this 3-pack and you have 1,500 tips on that treasure box, it will make so much fun with the sets you're going to create with the clients, and just such a little of your creations. It's going to really make a really good additionals for your sort of income for yourself. Bye, Whitney. Good night, Whitney. You can always be watching later. Okay, so now I'm gonna using condensed glue gels. Happy Mother's Day. All right, so we're gonna do condensed glue gels on all of them. If you are the first time tuning in, or if you ladies are tuning in every night, thank you so much for the love and support. Just really friendly reminder, don't forget to enter the giveaways going on right now. Don't miss a chance to win over $500 of Glitz product, which is second anniversary kits, crystal kits with tools, and mystery treasure box. So I'm so excited to see who's gonna be a winner. All right, so next we're going to do a no wipe top coat. This no wipe top coat is gonna be on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. This will help a perfect grab the crystal base. And first I will grab it. The crystal base will last up to 3 to 6 weeks, but also it will help like totally seal it, so then when you're done with crystal placement, you don't have to worry about getting like the top coat over, because you still have the tacky between crystals. So then you want to make sure you get it all. I really like this one. Should I do yellow? So bright, so obsessed with this. And then all the neons pigments, I believe it will be back in the stock by next week as well. So I'm excited to doing a lot of more neon pigments for all of you. And both me and Sarah.
So now HQ asks how long does ship take to the UK. So now HQ, currently it should take only about a week to 10 days. So that's where our customers say they usually get it between for international shipping. So I don't think the number gonna be changed that drastic. Should be fun.
I don't know, I don't want to be too thick over here. However you would like to place your neon. I'm so obsessed with neon. Next, I'm going to do my nails all neon. And maybe I'm going to do is this one right here, obsidian. Somehow Facebook is really acting weird. it's like you can't see it from Facebook. It's so blur. Sorry, Facebook.
It's just a bit.
Sorry. That's it. Should I do more?
It's up to you. But I think that's enough though.
No, it's never.
It's never do.
Just kidding. Now it's enough. All right, so we're gonna put it under LED lights and here for 60 seconds. If you want to dress it over here more, you're more than welcome. I think it looks great either way. Be careful. I'm excited. Should we do these nails with completely? So why am I go for it? I'm excited, everyone. All right. Hi, Mayra, how are you? Gel glue. I started practicing to do nails already. I don't want gel glue. That's what you need probably is this one, condensed glue gel. Is that for the 1997 maybe? So I'm gonna do a chamfer foil for this on all the nails. And this is Premium's iHo chamfer foil. You see me doing it the white bottle, which is in the iHo Kia for 60 seconds, and this one is Kia for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna finish this one before we start the other ones. And I'm pulling it off because it have the cap and the red cap. Do not lose this red cap. This red cap, it's help to seal and close. First of all, it's like prevent from clocking, and also that is prevent from you are like spillings or any accidentally. So I am going to squeeze just a little bit when I feel scratchy. You don't want to squeeze so hard because one bottle of this is go a long way. You have a lot in here. 0.39 ounce, I think. And then I'm trying to look at the bottle when I'm doing it. And each time you squeeze out, just that much. You don't need a whole lot. You don't want to flood your crystal as well. You want to seal all the cracks, gap, and edges of the crystal. Between crystals, beads and charm chains, but you don't want to flood your beautiful crystal sparkle and shiny. So I see it looks really good, but I see that I have just a little bit excess of my precision glue, so I am going to using a twin tip brush. I'm always repeating it because that it's just probably just my habit, because I want to make sure when you are doing it. So just a little step will give it you know, help so much, because when you cure them, after you cure them, it's going to look so nice. It doesn't look lumpy, bumpy on the edges. So here is, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds.